Hi guys, welcome back. I'll be showing you how you can remove a background from a subject in an image using Photoshop, a photo editing program. So let's remove this background behind the tree so that we can actually select the tree only as a standalone layer. So I'll be doing this in under 20 seconds. So here we go. Drag a picture into Photoshop and then go to select, color range, and then using the eyedropper, select the color of the background. Then simply reduce the fuzziness so that the black area is selected, so that the tree is selected, and then click on OK when you're done, and then hit delete. You're done. Now the background has been removed, leaving only the tree as the subject. That's how you can remove a background from a subject in an image in Photoshop in under 20 seconds. That's to say, thank you for watching, guys. This is quick, especially if you want to edit pictures using a standalone layer and then you want to add something for the background. For example, you want to add more clouds or something like that. That will do. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.